to the Leo Show, or welcome back. And if you're new, subscribe already, okay?
It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show. The Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show.
Before we open this up, I wanna get the baby wolf and the big wolf.
Okay, so is this a mystery?
Yeah.
All right, so we're hoping for those two.
Uh-huh. What's this? Now we have to get the tools. Well, is there a chest in here? Is there a shovel? There's nothing in here.
What's in this little box?
It's a crafting table. I don't think there's probably going to be something in here, but there might. Also, if you hear some weird stuff happening in this video, just assume that it's my brother. He always does this stuff.
Leo, here, show them what was in that box.
We'll need this stuff later in the video. Yeah, but I still don't see where the shovel is.
What happened underneath there? Oh, turn it around. What's that stuff?
It showed us what was in there. So we have to water the hearts. This heart has already been watered. But this isn't how you officially do it. Okay, here you are, heart.
You don't have to water the heart?
Yes, you do have to water them.
Did you water all the hearts? Oh, you do it like that? What's next?
Then you have to connect the heart. Now this is only a 2-part piece.
You have to put it on both sides so they stick together.
Yeah.
All right, let's
Sorry
fix
guys, I just haven't done this in a while.
It's okay. That's how you learn, right?
Yeah.
So we're putting hearts on both parts that have to go together. And then we're wetting them.
Uh-huh.
And then we're sticking them together. All right, he looks like he's got everything. And then I guess it dries and becomes perfect, stuck together.
Yeah. This isn't how bats look like in real Minecraft, but I guess it is how they do look in this. Bats kind of look like this in real Minecraft, but not really. But but where's the treasure? Just found out where the treasure is. We didn't find the treasure, but we did find the shovel we couldn't find.
Oh, there's something.
The treasure!
Oh, what do we get?
Aw man, it's just a common bow. We got the stray and the bat. I think that this is good, but I really wanted the wolves.
So you gotta keep looking for them, huh?
Uh-huh. We might not do that many Treasure X videos on the Leo Show, but we will show a lot more Moose Toys produced things. I really want to make more videos for 2023.
It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show.